Today's date is November 25th, 2025, and we got a busy day going here. Pete is doing putting some roll-up doors on an overseas container right now. Pretty noisy. Pretty neat. Pretty noisy too. These are one trip containers. So Pete probably does a few of these a year. And what I'm working on right now is I'm going to bring this bearing press right here. I'm going to take this press and set it up so I can use the so we can use we have to make some brackets. So Pete's going to make a die, and then I'm going to use this Enerpac to see. Greg brought this by, and I don't know if it works or not, but I think a good application for that single acting piston will be this press right here. So I'm going to use the engine hoist to see if I can get that into the if I can get this into the shop, so I can start getting things together, get hoses and fittings and everything. These are smaller fittings than what I have available to me right now. So I'm gonna get this ready. I'm gonna just work on it an hour a day or so, and then we'll see how this moves ahead. So that's the game plan. Everything is a pretty busy day. I'm glad to see that happening. So I'll be back. Well, I'm back. I had to extend everything on the hoist to get that in here. So Steve came over and helped me get it over the hump right there. So now on our hydraulics cart right here, I have these hoses. They were like $350 for just two that are 6 foot long. So anyway, this is going to be a single acting pump right here, or cylinder. And once I get this running, and we'll start working on making a die. So other than that, I got it in here. It took a little while. Now I got to see if this even works, but I have to have it connected up in order to test it. So I need to get some hoses for this, or a hose, and we'll see how this progresses throughout the day. So I'll be back. Okay, so we got our answer why we got this pump. Oh, I can see, I didn't see that hole right there. Right there, there's a big old hole. What a DF. Anyway, I guess I have to make a decision whether I want to pull that whole cover off or try some other solution. So I guess what I have to do now is tear it all apart, and so now we know why. I hope the pump didn't run dry and get ruined. But so anyway, these Enerpacs are $5,000 for this model. So I guess what I'm going to be doing is spending the rest of the day trying to clean up the mess and get this thing going here. So I'll be back. I'm back. I got the mess cleaned up. So this is what I'm going to attempt to do. You can, I don't know if you can, there you can. That's all damaged right there. So I think I'm going to use some liquid steel to put in there. I'm going to use acetone here to get this all cleaned up, get the oil out of it. This is kind of cracked, so I know there's oil inside of that. So anyway, let's see right here. There's a you can see that crack right there. So anyway, I'm going to use some JB stuff and see if I can fix that, and then we'll try filling it again. Okay, I'm back. You can see that's kind of a rough patch. So the next step is going to be, I'm gonna put out, let this harden up for a while, and then I'm going to use this 5-minute JB weld later tonight. I'll get this all soldered, or all sealed up, and Pete and them got this container all done today. It took them 4 hours. They hauled ass on it. So they cut this out, put those roll-ups in there. Everything is all welded up. Look how neat this is. So, see, it's solidly welded all the way around here. And these are pretty neat. Right there, this is all done here. Everything is all perfectly welded. So, everything's working pretty neat here. So this is one of the things that Pete does in his shop here. So that's our two projects, Enerpac and overseas container.